Life is like a game of pool. Every move you make shapes what happens next. And sometimes you need that one powerful break shot, not just to start the game, but to start over. Starting a new life isn't easy. It's messy, unpredictable, and sometimes you'll feel lost. But that's the beauty of it. Every scattered ball on the table is a chance to create a new path. The break shot teaches us that beginnings don't have to be perfect. What matters is the courage to hit that first shot, to move forward, even when you're unsure of the outcome. In life, you'll make mistakes. You'll miscalculate your angles. But each error helps you improve your aim, your focus, your patience. You start to realize that growth doesn't come from winning, and it comes from learning how to play again after every miss. So, don't wait for the perfect setup. Take your shot. Break free from your fears. Start again, because just like in pool, every break is an opportunity, a chance to rewrite the game, to rediscover yourself, and to begin something great.